In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Butler automation in Trello. Butler can be a game changer for increasing your productivity by automating repetitive tasks on your Trello boards. If you're new to automation or just want to streamline your processes, stick around because we'll walk through each step together. First, let's head over to the Trello website. Open your favorite browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Trello offers multiple ways to log in, and if you prefer to use your Google account for convenience, click on Google and select your account from the list provided. Now that we're logged in, it's time to choose the Trello board that you want to work with. Go ahead and open your board. You'll see your board laid out with all your lists and cards. On the top right corner of your board interface, you'll find the Automations option. Click on it to access Butler. Next, click on Buttons. This section enables us to create a button that will execute the actions we desire. Once inside the Buttons menu, search for the Create Button option and click it. Now we're in the area where all the magic happens. The next thing we'll want to do is click on Add Action. This is where we're able to define exactly what tasks we want the button to perform. After we click Add Action, we'll be presented with a menu of possible actions. It can be anything from moving cards, adding labels, creating checklists, and so on. Choose the action that aligns with your workflow needs. After selecting your preferred action, you will find a section to fill in any necessary details or items required for that action. Completing this step ensures that Butler knows exactly how to perform the task. It's a crucial part of setting up a precise and effective automation. Now, look at the top of the page where you'll see an empty field to type the title of your new button. Your button's title should be descriptive so you can easily understand what it does at a glance. Give it a name that reflects the action it performs, something straightforward yet informative. With all the details filled in, it's time to bring this button to life. Go ahead and click on Save to finalize the setup of your button. Congratulations! You've successfully created an automated button using Butler in Trello. This button will now appear in your board, ready to execute the actions you've defined whenever it's clicked. So there you have it, your quick guide to leveraging Butler automation in Trello. By automating these tasks, you've saved yourself time and effort that you can now redirect to more creative and strategic endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips.